What's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, I am here with Alana and our special guest,
Nate.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, okay.
Alana said this would be my favorite cup.
Okay, so today we have chefed up yours truly.
That's so gas.
Alana did this. I
I haven't had less cooking so.
Wow. Alana, what is this called?
Gongozola.
Oh no, that's the other one.
No, it says, oh, that one? Chicken broccoli.
This is not broccoli.
Oh.
This is not chicken Alfredo.
Wait,
Where is the chicken?
Alfredo?
Go back to when Alana was eating raw chicken in Taco Bell.
Oh.
Isn't that like disgusting?
Hey, I have a video.
Okay.
What's that
Throw it
for?
up.
Oh, I actually brought it out.
What
What was that?
the fuck? No, say word for word.
I'm not getting canceled. And then this is the what? Alana?
Gongozola.
Gongozala
Gnocchi.
and gnocchi.
Start calling right now.
Yeah.
Who, Daniel?
Yeah.
Ask him why he didn't post a Chatterini one where the other one.
You're not picking up. Oh my gosh.
He's a celebrity now. He doesn't have time for that.
Yeah.
My JBL clip is like falling apart, see?
Oh!
Did you not pick up?
Hold on, let me call my laptop. I want to be called.
Okay.
I'm second.
Him and Owen need to do a collab. Because Owen makes some beats or whatever.
Cooking with Daniel.
I told Riley this. You